Hey everybody, Doug Reynolds here, your Sacramento Area Realtor. And wow, it's 4th of July. Happy 4th of July already. This is your market video update for the end of June and the beginning of July 2015. So since it's the beginning of the summer, I thought, hey, come outside and do the video this month. So quickly, let's go over the stats for May. I'll throw them up here on the screen. As you can see, the median price, it bumped up a bit in May. It went from $281,000 to $290,000 is the median sales price in the Sacramento County area. The solds were pretty flat, just went down a little bit from April to May. April we had 1,607, so we broke that 1,600 barrier mark there, and then in May we had 1,557. So pretty good amount of sold homes there. Properties are the market's doing strong as far as sales volume, amount of buyers out there, and everything like that. However, what's happened is the inventory has gone up a little bit. You can see it went from 1.6 months to 1.8 months worth of inventory. So that's just showing that as we kind of head through this year, kind of trickling up a little bit as far as amount of homes on the market going through there. So what's going on in the market right now? I'm kind of a broken record as far as it's a price sensitive seller's market, and this is becoming even more accurate as we move through this year here. So price sensitive seller's market means if your home shows well, it's priced right, and it's marketed well, you're going to have a lot of action on the property right away, and you will be getting the home sold very quickly. Probably have a couple of different offers to choose from or counter, and you're going to be selling it either at or above list price. However, that's not across the board. If you're not hitting those things there, if it just doesn't show well or your price too high, I'm seeing a lot of homes, they're sitting on the market, they're having to lower their price, trying to get the buyer's attention, and it's just not the right way to go about it. Starting too high and then coming down, you end up selling it for less in the long run than if you price it right from the start and get that attraction on the property with the buyers out there and everything. So what else are we seeing real quickly? Starting to see more buyer negotiation going on during the escrow process. So what that means is once a buyer is getting into escrow, and this is just kind of a blanket general statement as to what's going on. Of course, each property has its individual specifics, but as a whole, we're starting to see buyers negotiate a little bit more. So when they're seeing stuff on that pest report, they're asking for items to be taken care of, or home inspection items if they're health and safety issues, things like that. Buyers are doing a little bit more negotiation during the escrow process as far as the sellers helping them either fix something or credit for something or something like that. Also seeing, a little bit more properties fall out of escrow and come back on the market. I think that's just showing all of these things combined together are kind of showing what's going on as far as we're seeing a little bit of a shift towards a balance in the market now. I would expect the inventory is going to just barely trickle up throughout the next few months here probably, and just have a kind of a balanced market as we head into the second half of the year and in through the end of summer and spring and things like that. So if you're a buyer or seller out there, I'd love to hear from you, connect with you, see how I can help you out in your situation. You can check out my Facebook page. You can check out my blog, SacramentoRealEstateBlog.com. You can also check out my website, realestatewithdoug.com. Those have links to everything out there, as well as my YouTube channel as well. So I hope everyone's having a great start of the summer. Happy 4th of July and clear skies.